Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we had a bunch of people just recently ask, hey, when I put your lift in my truck and I put 35s on it on the TRD Pro, how tall is it? I kind of looking to see if it's gonna fit in my garage. So I got a couple measurements for you guys here. First off, I'm gonna let you know that we are only running the lower collar in the front on this, not the upper shim. The 1/2-inch shim we left out. And on the rear, we put our 7/8 puck in the rear on this. So it has a 1/4 inch higher in the rear than it is in the front. So it slopes a little bit down in the front, but obviously because we've got the rear fender trim off and then the bumper off this, it's kind of hard to tell from what that, but before measurements, it is about a 1/4 inch higher. Couple things now leading into the rack and the antenna. It's actually a little bit higher in the front, on the front of the rack, than it is in the rear of the rack. The front of the rack, it actually comes in up on the top edge here. It comes in at 82 inches. The rear rack is 81 3/4, so it is a little bit higher in the front. And then I had some guys said, hey, if I take my rack off, what am I looking at as far as to the antenna? It comes in at 79 1/4 to the top edge of the antenna to the ground, measuring off the back with the straight, with a level on the back. So just some ideas for you guys if you think it's gonna fit in your garage. It's not gonna fit in your garage. Running obviously the lower collar in the front, no top shim, and then running the 7/8 puck in the pack on this. So we ran the Recon grapplers and actually on this one ran a 305 70/18 instead of a 35, but if you take the measurements and look, they're pretty close in size, but this whole setup here worked out really well. We'll share with you some more stuff that we've got coming along, but right now I just wanted to share those measurements with you guys, so that if that helps to make a decision on what you decide you're gonna do for a lift and tires, and if it's gonna fit in your garage or not. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.